Hello, myself Professor Pallavi Hule. So today we are going to see about the sprinkler irrigation system. So first we'll go for the introduction. So water is the key factor in increasing the agricultural production. In such cases, irrigation is the most important factor. One such method of the modern irrigation is the sprinkler irrigation system, which is becoming a more and more popular among the farmers across the developed countries. So next we'll see about the sprinkler irrigation. It is a pressurized irrigation through the devices called sprinklers. Sprinklers are usually located on the pipes called laterals. Water is discharged into the air and hopefully infiltrates near where it lands. Sprinkler irrigation system spraying water like a natural rainfall. Water pressure through the nozzle. Pressure is provided by a pump. Selection of the nozzle size, operating pressure, and spacing. This is the image for the sprinkler irrigation system. Next we'll see about the components of sprinkler irrigation system. Water source, that is open well, tube well, bore well and canals. Pumping unit, centrifugal and submersible. Sprinklers, main and lateral pipelines, risers, riser pipe and the sprinklers, that are the nozzles. Then other accessories used in the sprinkler systems are reducers, elbows, end plug trees, regulators and gauge, valves and filters. Soil suitability, the suitable for the lands as on a shallow soils, best suited to the coarse sandy terrain, suitable in the undulating terrains, adapted in the hilly regions. Next, about the crop suitability. All the crops are suitable except the crops like the paddy, jute, etc. The dry crops like vegetable, flowering crops, orchards, plantation crops like tea, coffee are also suitable and can be irrigated through the sprinklers. So the general rule for the sprinkler irrigation system designs are: the main should be laid up and downhill, lateral should be laid across the slope or nearly on the contour. For multiple lateral operations, lateral pipe size should be more than 2 diameters. Water supply source should be nearest to the center of the area. Layout should be facilitated to and minimize lateral movements during the season. Booster pump should be considered where the small portion of the field should require a high pressure at the pump. Layout should be modified to apply at different rates, and amounts of the water soils are greatly different in the design area. Selecting the most appropriate sprinkler system. So while selecting a sprinkler system, the most important physical parameter to be considered are the crop or the crops can be to be cultivated, the shape and size of the field, the topography of the field, the amount of the time and the labor to operate the system. Type of sprinkler systems. There are main types of the sprinkler systems available in the market. So on the basis of the arrangement for the spraying irrigation water, sprinkler systems are classified as rotating head systems or the perforated pipe systems. Next we'll see about the advantages. So the sprinkler irrigation does not require a surface shaping and leveling, can be applied to the areas of variable topography. Flexibility is possible because sprinkler heads are available in a wide range of the discharge capacities. Cost of the labor is generally reduced. Erosion of the soil can be eliminated. Chemical and the fertilizer applications are easily used with the sprinkler systems. No special skills, trained personnel can operate the system reasonably well. Frequent and the light irrigation possible, giving the better response from the crops. Increase in the yield and the quality, early ripening, water conservations, and the alternative values of a specific period, saving the labor, machinery, fertilizers, and pesticides. Soil moisture is maintained at the optimum level by sprinkler irrigation, and 20 higher yields are obtained by of the crops, and the quality of the other crops is also good. So constraints in the application of the sprinkler irrigation: uneven water distribution due to the high winds, evaporation loss when the opening under high temperatures, highly Impermeable soils are not suitable. Initial cost is very high. Proper design, lack of the packaging practices, lack of the awareness, lack of the social concerns to save the natural resources, high water pressure requires in the sprinklers, and difficulty in irrigation during the wind in the sprinklers. So, thank you. This was all about the sprinkler irrigation.